Hello, this video is designed to help you open up the template for your Read 10 book review and save it, change the share settings, and then get started on it. What you should be seeing right now are the directions, which you've probably already seen, that has an intro, a description of all of the components that are going to need to be in your book review, 3 different examples, 3 awesome examples. Each of these blue text for example 1, 2, and 3 are different examples that show different ways that you could approach it. And then right here is the book review template. And what you're going to be doing is listed right here, where you're going to make a copy of the template, save it where you can find it again, rename the template, and then you'll be changing the share settings so you can get started. This is a link for the template. When you open it up, you will not be able to change anything on this template because I own it, and you don't want to change this one because this is the one that everybody else will see. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is open File, make a copy of the entire presentation. File, make a copy, entire presentation. And right here it's going to say, here's the name of it, and where do you want it? So this would be a great place to open up your drive. And if you don't already have a folder called ELA, then I would strongly recommend you creating one. So you would click the folder, new folder. If you've already got one, then you just put it in your ELA folder. If you don't have one, you click new folder and then you call one ELA. But I've already got one, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Select, so that's in a place where I can find it. And I'm going to say, okay. Now this is your presentation. It's called copy of. We don't need that anymore. You can erase that. And then it says replace this text with the title of your book. So let's say that you were doing yours on New Kid. You type that title there. And then the other thing that can be a little bit tricky is to change the share settings. So you go to share. When you first open it up, it's only going to be available to you. You want to change the link to Lee Summit R7 School District right here. So you're going to click that link. Now anybody in the Lee Summit District who has the link will be able to see it. And when you're ready to copy it, you'll do copy link here, but we're not quite ready to do that yet. So at this point, there's 3 slides, 1, 2, 3. And you might notice it's obviously very plain, white background, black text. You are welcome to change that as long as it is legible. So what I'm asking you not to do is change it to a purple background with green text. Make it very easy on the eyes. So if you want to do that, you're welcome. But I also want to point out that, right here, these are speaker notes. What I did is I put down here what each slide should contain. This is designed to help you get all of the points that you can get and have a good review. So this is going to remind you, make a copy of this Google slide, change its name, change the share settings, and save it where you'll be able to find it. This first slide should contain 4 different things: title and author, picture of the cover, the genre, or sometimes genres, sometimes they kind of overlap on a couple of different ones, and then a brief summary without giving away the end. If you need an example, this is a link to the directions. The second slide should contain 2 things: a rating of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, and a description of what other type of reader would also enjoy this book. So this is where, if you are somebody who enjoys reading books with lots of action, or you enjoy books that are shorter that you can get through, or whatever that might be, or if you enjoy, if you enjoyed the Hunger Games, you would like this. That's kind of what we're talking about. And then lastly, this slide should have an additional hook to sell others on your book. There is several examples there, ideas and examples, so if you don't remember what that means, go ahead and open the directions again. Once you're done, we are going to share with you a Google form for you to share the link so others can see it. This will be due soon. So check your teachers with your due date. Thank you so much.